When will this problem happening in Nigeria cease or stop? It looks as if that people that are making laws for us are using this opportunity to do play. They call it play. Do you think because you are in the north or because you are in the west, you are the majority leader in the Senate? That is why the problem of the Igbo people or the Biafra will not affect you. That is why you think the killing that is going on in Biafra land, in the Igbo land, will not affect you. If you are thinking like that, go and think again, Senator. If you are just having it in your mind that their problem is their problem, go and think again. The problem that is happening in Nigeria, you people have ceased to put your mouth, ceased to append your signature so that it will stop. If you think that it will not affect you because it's happening in the southeast, go and think again. Why I say you should go and think again is that I remembered when people were telling the governors of Enugu and Abakaliki, that is Ebonyi State, that Fulani herdsmen will deal with them. They think it was a joke because it have not reached them. What is happening today in Enugu, in Abakaliki? What is happening? Fulani people are the people now kidnapping them. All of them are running away. When you think that the hunger that is killing people in the north is not affecting an Igbo man, go and think again. The Senate, you people are just playing with Nigeria. You are playing with Nigeria. The good, the bad, the ugly is in this country. Where somebody will raise a motion, you say he did not raise a motion because you think you are in the north. And it doesn't concern you, and it cannot be done. Once I am concerned, this can never be done. If nobody raised the motion of a division of Nigeria, it cannot be done. You think it's not affecting you? Remember, you will one day travel to east. If you don't go out of north, you travel to east. Something must take you to there. Stop playing kalo with the lives of Nigerians. All of us are one Nigeria, even if we don't believe in each other. All of us are one Nigeria. All of us are one. We need to, as one, we need to do what is right. Even if we are dividing till tomorrow, we are still one, created by God. Stop playing this kalo. Be a righteous person. Be a knowledgeable person. The Bible says in Proverbs chapter 23 verse 3, it says, the prudent have seen evil and take cover, but the simpleton have seen it and go into it and suffer the consequences. That is what exactly you people will suffer, because you people have seen the evil coming out and you people keep quiet, be romancing it in the government house. I want to remind you, Nnamdi Kanu some time ago from Britain said in his Radio Biafra that the problem that is in the east will drive all of you to the east. That is the army in Nigeria to the east, and the north will be ravaged. What is going on today? Is the north ravaged? Boko Haram, ISWAP, and so many other armed men ranging from different areas that are not the army have taken over the north. Can you enter the farm now? That then you were going to farm and be bragging, I will be eating well. We are doing farming. But today what is happening? If you go to the farm, they will cut off your head. It's not more than 4 years. These have come to existence. Why is it that the Hausa people now are coming out from the north to the west and to the east? Why? It's because you people have brought the whole army that is supposed to be guiding there and bring them to the east. And now there is confusion. The armed men now have gotten the opportunity to take over the land. Likewise in the east, Nnamdi Kanu, once again, I quote you in the court. He said, who is that bagger that he will talk and he will not do it? These things are coming up because You people have given armed men the audacity to continue destroying the country. That is why the East is full of gunmen, and they are advancing daily. They are advancing daily. A time is coming. A time is coming when you that is in the north will no longer breathe. You will not breathe because you will be like a landlord that went to tenant road and rent a house. What do you want? Problem of tenants. So what am I saying? I will never lie to you. I will tell you the truth. It is better you conduct referendum for Biafrans. If they want to go, let them go. Because what I am seeing in this country is that we don't believe in ourselves. So if I live with you, I don't believe in you, I don't trust you. It is better I go my way. You stay on your own. That is it. But you saying that Nigeria can never be divided is just that you have put your neck so thick that you want to die in somebody's hand. Many have died. Most of you that are in the upper chamber, the Senate, never see the war, and you people are fueling this war with another new petrol and gas. It will happen, and you people will see it. I want peace in every corner of the world, every corner of Nigeria. Whether Hausa is going, or Igbo is going, or Yoruba is going, let them go. Let everyone live in peace. Igbo do not have common thing with the Hausas. Their culture is different. Their way of food is different. Yoruba have nothing with the Igbos. Their culture is different. Their migration is different. They are not one people. It's just that Lolugan brought all of us together and say we are one people. And we accepted it. No victor, no vanquish. But we are not one people. We are different people. There is no how. What you believe that I will believe. It is even in a family. If you don't believe what I believe, leave me alone. If I don't believe what you believe, I leave you alone. Simple and short. So that peace will reign. Biafra is saying we want to get our own referendum. Conduct referendum. The Oduduwa nation is crying we want to go. Conduct a referendum for them. Leaving them will make your house to be on a safer side. Nobody will travel from his country to come and ravage your own country. No. You will live in absolute peace. If you want katakata, you want trouble in your country, then you create trouble for your country. If you want peace, you create peace. Bible says, I have given you in your hands to choose life and death. So it is for you to choose whatever you feel like you want to choose. If you want your country to be fine, you start developing your country. If you want it to continue being in tatters, you leave it to become in tatters. Whatever you choose is what you take. London is London today because they choose to develop London. Yes. Remember, this program is sponsored by SS Global Company, which gives you good houses and the real estate business. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. They have lands and houses in different places. Call the number on the screen so that they are going to give you lands in Lagos, in Ogun State, in all the environs in Nigeria. God bless you. Till next time. Subscribe and share across to people. We are one people. We need peace in this country. Goodbye for now.